In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace all the interior lights on your Hyundai Elantra. Let's get started with the driver's side visor light. Get a flathead screwdriver, put it behind the light just like that, and then use the screwdriver to pry the light out. And once the light comes out, we gotta now unplug it from the electrical connector there. So you see that where my thumb is, just press it down there and pull the light with the other hand, and the light comes out. Now we gotta get the bulb out. Just use the screwdriver again to pry the bulb out like that, and it's pretty easy, and the bulb should just come right out. Get the new bulb, put it in its position. Once the bulb is back in its place, just give it a little twist like that. Okay, that's good. Now let's put the bulb holder back in its place. First we need to connect it back to the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. Clicked. That's good. Now slide it in from the first end. That metal piece acts like a spring, so that's gonna go in last. All right, now let's just push it in. And that works. Now let's tackle the passenger side visor light. So same thing, get the screwdriver and pry the light out. So you gotta pry it out from with the side where the switch is for light. Now once the bulb holder is out there, press it down and the holder right comes right out. Now to get the bulb out, use the screwdriver and pry the bulb out like that. Now go on, get the new bulb, put the new bulb back in its place, and once it's in, just twist it a little bit to make sure the bulb doesn't fall out of the place. Yeah, that's good. Now let's connect it back to the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. Align those two pins on the bulb holder with the slots on the electrical connector there. Slide it in, clicked, done. Now, that side goes in second. So, put it in like that, slide it in, push it, done. Simple. Now let's tackle the center light there. When you're trying to put it out, if the light comes on, that's fine. Happens. Okay, now we gotta get the bulb out. So just grab the bulb and pull it out. It's simple as that. Make sure the switch is still off. So if you got the door open or something, accidentally the light doesn't come on. Now get a new bulb. We got to make sure that there's two metal edges on the bulb. Contact the two metal points in there to form a good connection. Push it in there. Looks good. Let's put the lens back on. Make sure the lens is positioned as such. Put it in. Clip, clip, done. Alright, now let's do the same process for the other bulb over there. Use the screwdriver, pry the lens out. That's the switch that actually switches the bulb on and off. Now to get the bulb out, just use your fingers and pull the bulb right out. Get the new bulb. We gotta make sure that those two metal points that's on the bulb, they touch those two metal points on the bulb holder there. Because if it doesn't touch it, it's not going to complete a circuit and won't work. So Okay, that works. Let's put the lens back on. Make sure the lens is aligned as such. Put it in. Click, click, done. All right, so now that's the dome light. Again, get a screwdriver and pry the light out from the side that's by that switch. Now to get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out. When you're trying to pull the bulb out though, make sure you don't accidentally end up pressing that switch there, because it's right there, your hand might just hit it. So make sure you don't do that. Get the new bulb, put it back in its place. It should go right in. That works. Let's put the lens back on. Like so. And that's it. Click, click. Works. Let's tackle the trunk light. Get the screwdriver and pop the bulb holder out of the body. See, what I did is that edge over there, I pressed that with the screwdriver. Now, there's a black tab over there on the electrical connector. We got to press that and pull the bulb holder out. Like so. Okay. Now again, get that flathead screwdriver. We got to get the lens out of the black bulb holder. Actually, the black thing is just a cover. But we got to get it out to access the bulb. And that's the bulb. Again, keep one thumb on the bulb and use the screwdriver to gently pry the bulb off. The bulb off. Get a new bulb. Align it with those holes over there. Put it back. Click. It's in place. It's not going anywhere now. Okay, let's get that black cover. Snap it back in place. Okay. Now let's connect the bulb holder back to the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. So slide it in, click, see the light's back on.